Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I'm going to review XTB in no more than 3 minutes. So let's start. XTB is a really good platform for day trading, and they have one of the lowest CFD fees in the market. There's like contracts for stocks, etc. And let me show you first. When you go to fees, they have only high stock CFD fees, but other than that, they're really low. And let me show you the trading. When you look on a low CFD trading fees, when we compare XTB versus IG or eToro, they have the lowest fees. For example, Apple or Vodafone. Then, Forex fees are also low. IG and eToro, as you can see, they got the lowest fees. So if you want to trade on a Forex, or if you want to trade on a like CFD, this is your way. Now, if we continue, stock and ETF commission of the $2,000 trade, I recommend choosing eToro. So this is the first thing. If you want to buy stocks, if you want to buy ETF, choose Trading 212 or eToro. These two platforms are much better for it because you're gonna pay like the fee for buying it on XTB or IG. So this is my first like point, that stocks and also ETF, eToro or Trading 212 is your way. You're gonna have links also in the description. Now you're gonna see like the XTB no trading fees. They don't have any account fee or inactivity fee comparing to IG or eToro, and they don't have also deposit fee or withdrawal fee. Also, account opening is really easy on XTB. As you can see, it's fast, fully digital, and low minimum deposit. That's like $250. And also the customer service is really great there, because right when you're going to open an account, they're going to call you. They're going to give you email, like if you need any help on trading. Deposit and withdrawal, credit debit card available, free withdrawal, no deposit fee, cons done. And another thing what I like is that you got USD, Euro, and also Libra, or the Hungary currency. But comparing to eToro, eToro has only USD. So this is another thing, that you can actually trade in Euro if you're from the Europe, or if you're from the Great Britain, you can just in your own currency. Now that's really good. Trading platform looks fine, and also the mobile looks good too. Look at this, pretty good. But markets and products, if we're gonna compare, you can see that you can also trade cryptos, ETF, but they don't have many ETF, and they don't have like a lot of stock CFDs, and that's pretty much it. But real stock and ETF, read this. Trading real stock and ETF is available for European clients, except for the UK, Cyprus, Hungary, and Italy. So keep that in mind. Research, I don't have very much to say about it. Customer service, they have live chat, and they have also fast responsive time, and that's pretty much it. And you got also demo account. So it has been 3 minutes. Thank you very much everybody for watching. I recommend again XTB for day trading on CFD and also day trading on Forex, because the fees are low. On long-term investing to stocks or ETF, I recommend choosing Trading 212 of eToro. This is the way, and it's safe. Like it's been, XTB is here for a long time. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions or any opinion, write down below. Have a great day and goodbye.